Hello everyone, you're watching EngLanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with one of the interesting topic, and that is about, again, tenses. We are going to know about present perfect tense in this tutorial. Many students have confusion about it, and after watching this tutorial, I hope your confusion is going to be completely eliminated. What is present perfect tense and when are we using it? The first and foremost usage of present perfect tense is that it describes an action which happened in the past and still happening, or which must have connection with the present. For example, I have known him for 3 years. It means I still know him. He has known me for 5 years. It means he still knows me. He still knows me. Besides that, for example, I have spent a lot of time with him. It means still I am spending time with that person. That's how we use it, because the name of it is present perfect tense. It is not completely talking about past actions. It must have relationship with the present. The second usage of present perfect tense is that it talks and it describes those actions which happened in the past, and that is near past. For example, I have completed my homework recently, or I have recently completed my homework. I have done my home chores recently, or I have recently done my home chores. I have done my homework before I go to the class. I have spent time with one of my best friend and then I went to the class. That's how we are using simple past tense, present perfect tense for past action, those actions which happen nearly in the past. We are using, हम इसको जो है उन actions के बारे में भी use करते हैं that happened and we don't know about the specific time of it. हम जब specific time के बारे में पता नहीं होता, or we don't want to mention the specific time, then it's good idea to use present perfect tense. For example, I have already washed the car. She has already prepared lunch. They have taken the class. They have completed the course. The time is not here and there is no need of time. When the action was completed, it's not important here. The important thing is that the action is done or not. Besides that, in present perfect tense, when we people are using present perfect tense, so we are trying to describe experiences. Those experiences, जो experiences हम कर चुके हैं और हम उन experience को again कर सकते हैं, and they are possible to happen again. For example, I have visited United States 3 times. I did not visit United States. I'm just giving you an example. I have visited United States 3 times. For example, I have been to Lahore 5 times. Either you are saying that I have taken biology classes, it means you have experienced something. I have traveled a lot. I've traveled around the world. They are different experiences that you are sharing with the present perfect tense. Now coming towards the structure of it. For third person singular, he, she, it, we have the structure subject plus auxiliary verb has, or third form of the verb which is called past participle plus object or complement. She has completed, he has completed, it has happened. That's how we are using third person singular pronoun with. But with they, you, we, I, with these subjects we are using have. Subject plus have plus the past participle plus object or complement. I have completed, they have completed, they have done, we have done, you have done, XYZ. जो भी आप mention करना चाहते हैं, that's done. Now, the negative is she hasn't, they haven't, we haven't, he hasn't, it hasn't. Got it or not? And the interrogative of it is, have you taken the class? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has she visited United States? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Or have they taken the course? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Have they completed the task? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. That's how we are using the three different structures. If still there is any confusion, you're most welcome to ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much, dear all, for watching and being with us in this lecture.